Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Navdeep Raj. Today I will show you how to make a Bluetooth speaker. First of all, I welcome to all those who are new to our channel. If you like this content, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like to hear more from us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like to hear more from us and comment below if you have any requests or suggestions. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.